And gentlemen, good morning and welcome back to the channel. So we have some side skirt extensions in this box right here for the Corvette. First, let's move some cars around, pull the truck out really quick. Also too, in case you guys want some stock wheels and tires from the Vet, I have them in the bed of the Tundra still. So if you guys want them, I don't know, 500 bucks, something like that. Little tight in the garage. 3M sticky tape. All right, guys, we have some new side skirts here for the C8 from Ninte or Ninte. I'm probably pronouncing that all wrong, but anyways, yeah, some new side skirts here with the winglet too, which looks really sick right there. These come in a matte black finish, just like I have right here. They come in gloss black, they come in carbon flash, and a carbon fiber look, full length with the winglet. So it looks super sick and offers some good protection as well. So yeah, installation does look pretty easy as well. Should be pretty straightforward thing. It came with the 2 rolls here of 3M tape and some self-tapping screws right there. So pretty straightforward. Dude, I cannot wait to see how it comes out. It's gonna look so sick. All right, so preparation is key. I'm using my QTM prep spray. It's a degreaser used for prepping the surface before a ceramic coating. Wipe down all that stuff down there and get the surface nice and clean on the car itself and the side skirt too. So we have a nice strong bond with the 3M tape here. 3M sticky tape laid down here on the back portion edge, and then slap the skirt under the car, and then we'll screw it down. Keep that corner on corner. Keep that nice and even right there.
Oh, like the back corner?
Yeah, okay. Yeah, there you go, right there. So what I wanna do, I wanna avoid the winglet touching the body of the car. So I'm trying to lay it on and give myself about maybe ½ inch of a gap in case it flexes. Okay, got a nice flush. A little too close. Oh, I think that's good here. Hold your front, please.
Okay.
Hold that still, and then. Okay, cool. Yeah, that's good. So the back half is held on with the 3M sticky tape, and Cindy's holding the front portion. All right, we have all these screws in. Let's lower it down, see how it looks. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's fire right there. What? There are these rivets right there, as you guys can see, for this rocker that isn't letting this new side skirt here lay down super flush. So that's the only thing I'd say right there. And I found that out after kind of screwing it on, so. Yeah, you guys have this on here, remove it first, but you can always do it later, I guess. In the meantime, looking good. Looking pretty good. Just like that, we've increased the horsepower by 10. Easy 10 horsepower. No, I'm kidding. It doesn't increase horsepower one bit, but it does look super cool. And also too, come here, check this out. This is crazy because I just realized that, look at all this. All the rock chips, see them? One there, a bunch of tiny ones. Oh my, look at all that, no way. Yeah, so there's a lot of rock chips on here. Yeah. And that's kind of what this will do right here, is help protect the side here from future rock chips. They come in the matte black, which I have right here, gloss black, the carbon fiber look, and then also the carbon flash as well. So made it look so much. So I didn't do the passenger side. So come over here and show them before and after to compare to you guys, or to show you guys comparison between with it on and then here on the other side. The reality is I just didn't have time to do the other side, but that's neither here nor there, and that's without it. So we're driving around on 4th of July looking a little dumb, but you know, it's okay. We'll finish it up tomorrow. Very, very simple install. It's a matter of just kind of like putting it in the right spot. What I did too was come over here also and check this out. As far as the distance goes, so I left about a finger between the top of the wing here, the winglet, and the body of the car, because I feel like it could kind of flex a little bit. You know, driving fast enough, whatever, it might, you know, flex a little bit and make contact with the car here. So I left about, I'd say more of like a pointer finger between there. What a difference with the wheels and now the side skirt here. Insane. Now what I'm thinking is a front splitter from Ninte as well. That'd be cool right there to kind of complete the whole, you know, lower belt, sort of make it more uniform with the front. Because I don't think it's lower than the front right now, but I don't know. I don't think so, right? It's pretty level. It's pretty level. But dude, like just looks wise, it just adds so much more character to the side profile here. It took me probably, I said the longest portion was probably just finding out where to put it properly, like lining everything up. But all in all, probably what, 20 minutes or so? Very easy install and super cool outcome. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. It's all I have for you guys for today. Sorry for the short video, but it is it's a holiday, so time to celebrate. But see you guys very soon. Till then, peace.